But minerals usually don't occur in their pure form. More often we find them together with other minerals in a solid mixture called a rock. Rocks can be formed in several different ways. We'll visit some places to see evidence of what some of those processes are.
Originally, the Earth was a ball of fiery liquid called magma. The first rock formed as this magma cooled and became solid. This is called igneous rock, because ignis is the Latin word for fire. There are still places deep within the Earth where temperatures are hot enough to melt rock into magma. Sometimes the magma is forced up into cooler regions.
When they made this road, workers cut a slice through rock that was formed in just this way. Igneous rock. Let's take a look at it. The rocks in this wall formed deep within the Earth hundreds of millions of years ago. It formed when the magma began to cool. Tiny crystals of several different minerals formed and grew until they ran out of room. This is the result, an igneous rock called granite. Like all igneous rocks, it's a random mixture of interlocking crystals. We can see crystals of some of the same minerals that we saw in the quarry: feldspar, quartz, and mica. Almost all igneous rocks are formed this way, but not all igneous rocks look alike. The differences we see tell us more about how the rock was formed. For instance, some rocks may be formed of different minerals. This gabbro was formed from minerals that are rich in iron and magnesium, formed from a magma very different from the magma that formed the granite. Another thing we can easily see is the size of the crystals, what geologists call the texture. There's a good sized crystal of mica right in here. And you can see some very large feldspar crystals throughout the rock. The quartz shows up over in here, another large crystal. These crystals are large enough to see with the naked eye. This igneous rock is called rhyolite. It's made of the same minerals that the granite is made of, but the crystals are almost too small to see. This tells us more about how the rock was formed. Sometimes the magma pushes clear through to the surface. As the magma reaches the surface, gases and water escape from it, and it changes its nature somewhat. So we also change its name. It is now called lava. The lava may build up a mountain we call a volcano. The lava cools to form rock so quickly that the crystals don't have time to grow large. That's how this rhyolite was formed. It cooled very quickly, and the crystals had no time to grow. The granite cooled very slowly, so it has large, easy-to-see crystals. The two look very different, but the only real difference is the time they took to cool.